Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about professional or technical writing. Do you know what is technical writing? Technical writing refers to a style of writing that conveys specialized information in a clear, concise, and organized manner. This type of writing is typically used in business, industry, science, and technology fields in order to communicate complex information to a specific audience, such as your colleagues, clients, or the general public. The primary goal is to ensure that the reader understands the material quickly and accurately. If we talk about the characteristics of professional or technical writing, there are 6 key characteristics to professional writing. Number 1 is clarity. This kind of writing is very straightforward. It avoids all kinds of ambiguity. It ensures that the intended message is easily understood by the audience. We need to make sure that all the data that we are providing is clear. The second characteristic of technical writing is conciseness. Conciseness means that the information provided is very brief and to the point. All kinds of unnecessary words and flowery language is avoided in technical writing. The third characteristic of technical writing is objectivity. This kind of writing needs to be very objective in nature. The tone of the writing is very neutral and factual. It focuses on providing very clear information without any subjective opinion or emotional language. The target is to provide information and only information. The fourth characteristic of technical writing is its accuracy. All the information that is provided in this kind of writing must be factually correct and very precise. Technical writing often requires research or consultation with experts to ensure that all the data provided is accurate. Talking about the fifth characteristic, technical writing is very audience focused. Technical writing is tailored to the needs and understanding of a specific audience. This could range from engineers to general consumers, each of whom will have a very different level of knowledge and needs. This is why we need to make sure that technical writing is done keeping in mind the intended audience. The last or the sixth characteristic of technical writing is that it is always purpose driven. This kind of writing often aims to inform, explain, and instruct. The importance of technical writing lies in its ability to communicate complex information in a way that is very accurate, clear, and efficient. Whether it is for the purpose of safety, legal compliance, product usability, or internal processes, good technical writing is fundamental to the smooth operation of industries that rely on precision, detail, and research.